come to pack, and we will create a new document. And we'll do this on the right plane. So when we'll start our sketch on the right plane. And so sketch first, choose the right plane, and then you go here to your visualizer on the right hand side and click on front plane. Then we're going to grab the corner rectangle tool. We're going to draw our rectangle and we're going to make it 350 by 140. So 350, enter, 140, enter. Now you see your design is out of view. So you're just going to click on this little visualizer block on the right plane and it will bring your whole design into view. Then we're going to start doing some construction lines. So, or escape. You've done something, press escape afterwards. Now we're first going to have to extrude this because it's still paper thin. So go to extrude and we'll extrude 20 mils. So here in your extrude drop down box, instead of 25 mils, we're just going to make that 20 mils. Enter and then give it a green tick. Then you're going to click on the right plane to visualize it right from the front again. And we're going to go to sketch and click on that extrude now. Then you're going to click on the line tool plus the construction line. Now, see if I hover over the stop line and I go close to the middle, I get that little orange block. If you get that block, that indicates that it's the center. So if you go down there, got the center, press escape, then choose the line tool and the construction line tool again. Then go there until you get the little orange block and then trace it across and then press escape. Now I've got the center line down and the center line horizontal. Then I'm going to have to draw just a few more lines. These lines won't show up in your final drawing because you use the construction line plus the line tool. So we're going to draw just a random length from the center. And you're going to click on that one, press escape, choose the line tool and the construction line tool again. Click there, draw a line straight down, press escape. Then you're going to use the measurement tool, which is that one. And then we're going to make that 90 mils, so 90, enter, and we're going to make this one 90 mils as well, 90, and enter, and then we're going to have to draw one more horizontal line, so I'm going to go line to construction line, and just a footnote, if these tools disappear here, your sketching tools, it means that you went out of the sketch. You can right click on the sketch there and then edit it and get back to it. So we're going to make this one 90 from the bottom. So just there, click on that one, click on this side. Then we're going to make that 90, enter. And now I've got enough construction lines to start the sketch. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go and draw the curve bit on the top. So what I'll do is I'll use this three-pointed arc and I'll draw a three-pointed arc, just a random length from that line to this line, and just go as close as you can to the top. Then we're going to grab our dimension tool again. We're going to make this from the horizontal line to that, press escape, from the horizontal line, this horizontal line to that point there. We're going to make that 30. Enter. Then I'm going to do the same for this side. Oh no, I'm going to change that measurement, so I'm going to press Control Z again. I'm going to make it 30 from the bottom line, so I'm going to change this dimension to there and make that 30. 30, enter. And then I'm going to do the same for this side, so I'm going to change that to that, and I'll make that 30. Press escape, use the dimension tool again. Click there, click on that horizontal line, pull it out to the side. Okay, that point and my horizontal line, pull it out to the side and make that 30 mils. Enter. Now I'm going to have to do this. I want to make this 50, so I'm going to go back. Oh, I'm still in the dimension. Click on that line, click on this point, and then we'll make that 50. So typing 50, enter. It's really important that you have it exactly at 50 and not over that line. Later when we do extrusions and if that line is over the other one, it will cause problems with extrusions. Now we're going to choose the three-pointed arc again. Click on this point and click on the bottom point there, and then we'll just make that distance 130. Control Z. And then we're going to do the other one as well. So three-pointed arc, click on this one, click on the bottom, after the bottom bit there, and just arc it so it's 137 about. And then we've got our curve bits done. So what we're going to do now is we need to get rid of the lines we don't need. So I'm going to grab the scissor tool, grab there, click on this line. Oh, now we have to extrude cut. Sorry, so we're going to use the extrude cut, but before we do that, we'll do the extrude cut bit first. So we'll go to extrude, and then in the extrude cut, you're going to go to remove. See, it doesn't like it. It says missing faces. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to go back into that sketch, edit it, and we need to draw a line up there and a line across to the other corner there and draw a line down. Now when we go to extrude and we want to remove, we can just go to remove and we want to remove those top bits. So we're just going to go in remove, and then instead of blind, we're going to go to through all and then remove that bit. So now we've got our profile set, and we're going to have to draw the tenon bits on either side. So if I click on my front plane, I get that straight from the front. Tenon bits will be uh, 5 or let's say 5 mils from the top and 5 mils from the bottom. And yeah, we'll do that. So we're going to have to sketch construction lines again. So we'll click on this plane. We'll choose the line tool, the construction line. We'll find the center line, draw a line straight down. Grab, instead of grabbing the corner rectangle, we're going to grab the center rectangle. And if you hover over here, we'll get our center point, and we'll draw a center rectangle there, and we'll make it 10 mils by 60 mils. And that's going to be for my tenon joint. So I'm going to grab the um, extrude tool, and I want it exactly 25, so I don't have to change that. Then I'll go to this side, the back view, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to sketch on that back view. I'm going to choose the line tool, the construction line tool. I'm going to draw a line straight down, press escape. I'm going to use my center point rectangle. Hover over here until I find my center point, draw a rectangle there. I will make it 10 into 60 into. And then we'll have to extrude this one by 25 as well. So make extrude 2, and then that's done there. So now we've got both of our tenon joints on either side. Now I just want to fillet the stop it. So fillet is just another word for making curved ends or round ends. So I'm going to click on fillet, and my fillet is set on 1 mil. So we'll make it 8 mils, and then we'll click on the top, and we'll click on that top, and we'll click on this top. So I filled it all 8 mils, and I've got a nice curved side to it now. Now I need to do one more thing. I can go back into one of the previous sketches, but I'll just start a new sketch. So I'll go to sketch, click on sketch. Then I'm going to draw another construction line. So I'm going to just have that right on, and just line, construction line. If I hover here, it will give me a center point again. And I'll draw another construction line. It's important not to draw the next construction line on my center point because that will lock it in. We'll draw it a little bit lower. So line 2, construction line. We'll draw it a little bit lower. Give it a green tick there, press escape. Then I'm going to go to my dimension tool, click here, click there, and we'll dimension that. We'll make that 50 mils from the bottom, enter. Now I'm going to cut a 45 mil hole in it. So I'm going to grab my center point there, click on that, put in 45, enter, and then extrude through all. And at the moment it's adding material, but I want to go to remove. And instead of blind, I'm going to go through all, and I've got that. and then I can fillet that as well. So I'll fillet that 8 mils as well. So we'll go fillet of 8 mils, and then fillet it that side. So we'll fillet this side as well. So choose